Today we are going to perform activity 8.14 in grade 8 syllabus. Okay, grade 8, lesson 8, changes in matter. Okay, activity 8.14, test whether air is essential for rusting. Okay, I already prepared 3 test tubes, labeled test tubes. This is the A, this is B and C. Okay, this A test tube contains boiled water. Okay, boiled water, and these two test tubes B and C contain cold water. Okay, now I am going to put each of these iron nails. Okay, these are clean iron nails. Okay, I am going to put 2 iron nails per one test tube. Okay, can you put here? Okay, put here. Yes, another one. Okay, 2 iron nails per one test tube. Okay, then again you have to put 2 iron nails to this B test tube as well. Okay, then this is the B test tube. Okay, add these 2 iron nails to this test tube. Okay, done. Okay, now I am going to add thin coconut oil layer to this A and B test tubes. Okay, A and B test tubes only. For this C test tube, we don't add this coconut oil layer. Okay, can you add? Okay, can add. Add more. Okay, that's enough. Yes, this is the coconut oil layer A test tube. Okay, then we have to add another coconut oil layer. Let's add the same amount by comparatively. Okay, you can add coconut oil to this one also. Okay, we are adding coconut oil layer to the B test tube as well. Okay, this is A and B test tubes with thin coconut oil layer. Okay, then what we have to do is we have to keep these all 3 test tubes for few days. Okay, then observe what happened after few days. This is the result after 10 days. Okay, this is A, B and C test tubes. You can see in this A test tubes, iron nails were not rusted, right? They were not rusted. This is the B test tube. Okay, in B test tube you can see rusting, right? Little amount, but you can clearly observe that in C test tube, the iron nails in C test tube, they were rusting like this. This is A test tube. Okay, it contains 2 iron nails. This A test tube contains boiled water. Therefore, there is no air. Okay, when water is boiling, air evaporated. Therefore, there is no any oxygen, and also since there is a coconut oil layer, okay, it blocks the air into this test tube. Okay, therefore no oxygen gas inside this test tube. Therefore, these iron nails were not rusted. Okay, that is A test tube. When consider this B test tube, it contains cold water, not boiled water. Therefore, there is a dissolved oxygen in this water. Okay, but there are also coconut oil layer. It block air into this test tube. Therefore, due to that limited air amount, you can see little rusting here. Okay. When consider this C test tube, okay, it contains cold water, and also there is no any coconut oil layer. Therefore, it contains moisture as well as oxygen. Okay, enough amount of oxygen. Gas also can exchange with the atmosphere. Therefore, those iron nails get rusting well. Okay, you can see it get rusted. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, get rusted. Okay. According to our result, the conclusion of this experiment is for rusting of a metal, oxygen gas is essential. Okay, that's why without oxygen gas in a test tube, okay, in a test tube that contain boiled water, there is no dissolved gas, and also there is a coconut oil layer, therefore no gas exchange with atmosphere, therefore no rusting is there. We observe that there were no rusting is there. Therefore, for the rusting of metal, oxygen gas is essential. Okay, that is the conclusion of this experiment.